Grid app and Klover both offer cash advances to eligible users, but neither app gives every customer the same advance amount. Your available limit depends on your eligibility, banking history, income, and account activity, rather than a fixed amount that applies to everyone. By the end of this video, you'll know how Grid app and Klover determine advance limits, and which one may be the better fit for your financial situation. If you're looking for the app with the higher limit, there isn't a universal winner. Both services calculate eligibility individually, so the amount available to one user may be very different from what's offered to another. Let's start with Grid app. Grid is designed to help eligible users smooth out cash flow between paychecks. After connecting your bank account, the app reviews your financial information to determine whether you qualify for a cash advance. Your recurring income, account activity, and banking history all contribute to the decision. Because Grid continues to evaluate your financial activity over time, your available advance may change as your banking patterns change. Now compare that with Klover. Klover also connects to your bank account and evaluates factors such as recurring deposits, account history, and overall banking behavior before determining eligibility for a cash advance. Like Grid, Klover does not base eligibility primarily on a traditional credit score. Instead of guaranteeing a specific advance amount, Klover adjusts available limits according to the financial information associated with your account and whether you continue to meet its eligibility requirements. So which app has better limits? Choose Grid if you want a cash advance app focused on helping manage cash flow and you're comfortable linking your primary bank account for eligibility review. Choose Klover if you prefer an app that also evaluates your banking activity and offers additional financial features alongside cash advances for eligible users. The important thing to remember is that neither platform promises a higher limit than the other. Even if two people use the same app, they can receive completely different advance amounts because eligibility is personalized. Here's the bottom line. Grid and Klover both determine advance limits based on your financial profile, instead of offering one standard amount for every user. The stronger your income history and account activity, the more likely you are to qualify for the services available through each platform. Your next step is to compare the eligibility requirements for both apps and choose the one that best matches your banking habits and financial needs, rather than focusing only on the maximum possible advance. If this comparison helped you understand the differences, like the video and subscribe for more straightforward comparisons of cash advance apps and personal finance tools.